Glimpse of a polluted future. Where are the birds that used to dot the sky?
Sobra naman yung baw mo, mamaya mauntog sa sahig yung ulo mo.
I can't hear them anymore. I can't see them anymore.
Dapat walang mali. Akala ko ba kabisado mo na?
Opo, naku.
Sige, ulit.
Take 3.
Take 3. Dali, dapat kabisado mo yan. Okay.
Glimpse of a polluted future by Kelly Roper. Where are the birds that used to dot the sky? They're not here anymore, and I have to wonder why. Where are the fish that used to swim in the stream? I can't see them anymore. What does this mean? Where are the frogs that used to croak around this lake? I can't hear them anymore. There must be some mistake. I wish there was a clock whose hands I could rewind. We might save these creatures if we just had more time. Time to make people see how we are damaging our earth. Time to realize what this all truly worth. But the animals are disappearing in an alarming way. If we don't band together, it may be really too late.
Wow, galing. Marang-mana ka kay Kuya Kerbin. Galing nga. Ganyan na ganyan din si Kuya Kerbin manong araw. Magaling mag-memorize yun. Pareho kayo. Up here.